Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2015 Dodge Dart. We did a system in here and a custom stack fab enclosure. We kept everything in the front factory, kept the factory radio. We did add some little LED lights down here, RGB, so they change colors, red, blue, green, white, pink, whatever. They got different patterns. In the front here, we did the Kenwood Excelon 6x9 component. So it's a 6x9 in the doors, drops right in. And then up here in the dash, I can't really see that, but up here in the dash, it's got the factory, well, it's a replacement, like 2.5, 3-inch speaker. And then coming to the back here, the back doors, we did the Sony GS 6x9s. Did some more lights underneath the seat here that change colors. And we did the amplifiers in the back seat. We did Tesla tape, real nice and clean back here. And then the back here, looks like there's nothing in here. We did a custom stack fab box. So you lift up the well. There's 2 Audio Mobile Evo 10s in there. And this thing hammers. I mean, it shakes the dash, a little piece above the steering wheel control. The steering wheel just shakes. I mean, it beats. It's pretty crazy. But we sell these on our website, store.audiodesigncg.com. You can give us a call at 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75. If you're in Jacksonville, come see us.